Curiouser and curiouser. Curiosity motivates growth. The classic storybook tale of Alice in Wonderland explores the nature of curiosity and the transformative power of questioning for personal growth. Alice's courageous embrace of the unknown drives self-discovery through exploration, experimentation, relationships, and rebellion. By examining her adventurous journey as a metaphor for the broader human experience, we may identify how these themes led to transformative change in our own lives. Curiosity motivates exploration. Curiously compelled to explore the unknown, Alice embraced the risk of uncertainty, a decisive moment of change as she followed the White Rabbit into the mysterious abyss. Leaving the reliably mundane world behind, she forged a courageous path toward adventure in Wonderland. This pivotal moment reflects humanity's thrill-seeking compulsion to venture beyond safe constraints to propel growth. Curiosity has always driven discovery to initiate innovation in science, medicine, technology, and the arts. Curiosity motivates experimentation. Curiously enticed to experiment with the consumption of mysterious substances, Alice faced the consequence of choice. She discovered her ability to adapt to the transformative changes imposed by the elements of Wonderland. This crucial moment reflects humanity's impulse to grow by testing boundaries in order to manifest resilience. Curiosity has always driven risk-taking action to generate personal growth through acquired knowledge. Curiosity motivates relationships. Curiously attracted to connect with various individuals, Alice sought interpersonal interaction despite the defiance of social norms. She learned to navigate conflict with logical challenges through encounters with the unpredictable personalities of Wonderland. These fundamental moments reflect humanity's fascination with the range of complexity in thought and behavior. Curiosity has always prompted the establishment of relationships that challenge preconceived notions of reality to facilitate understanding. Curiosity motivates rebellion, curiously inclined to challenge authority. Alice rebelled against the status quo of the authoritarian rule of the Red Queen. She discovered power by righteously defying the chaotic power dynamics of the court in Wonderland. This critical moment reflects humanity's concentration on power dynamics and the experience of standing against injustice, despite personal risk. Curiosity has always prompted the questioning of rigid rules, from envisioning alternatives to oppressive regimes that in turn rouse societal change. Curiosity motivates self-discovery. Curiously determined to complete her journey, Alice bravely traversed through a land that aroused fear and confusion. She emerged stronger with self-assurance through the trials exacted by Wonderland. This essential moment of self-awareness reflects the growth that emerges from humanity's instinct to prevail over adversity. Curiosity has always led to self-discovery for clarity of purpose. Curiosity motivates change. Curiously guided with a fascination for discovery, Alice courageously embraced uncertainty and an adventure through the surreal world of Wonderland. Her encounters with its strange inhabitants aided her quest for self-discovery. By questioning circumstances, she found the strength to defy convention and confront inequity. She transformed through the journey by having acquired wisdom for self-realization. We are now invited to fearlessly embrace our own journeys through a world fraught with chaos, conflict, and danger. Curiosity will guide us on the boundless path towards self-actualization. May we emerge stronger and wiser through the adventure that is life.